What's going on, everyone? It's Ron with Insurance for Texans, and we are starting to get on the backside of that spring hail season. And I know a lot of Texas homeowners have had to make that hail claim on their house. And the worst part of it all is that we have seen a lot of homeowners that have had bad claim experiences. They didn't realize how much their coverage had changed over the last few years. Maybe it had been 5 years, 7 years since you had last made a hail claim, and you didn't realize that your deductible had gone from a few $1,000s to several $1,000s. Or maybe you didn't realize that your roof now had actual cash value on it rather than replacement cost. The big insurance companies have taken it in the shorts over the last few years, and they have shifted as much financial responsibility as they could back over to Texas homeowners. And that's where it all goes wrong. But I have some good news for you. You can purchase simple coverage for hail that will put cash in your pocket in 10 days to 2 weeks. We have standalone hail policies that can either eliminate the deductible, cover up the actual cash value, or allow you to replace your roof in total without ever talking to your home insurance company. If you're interested, call 469-789-0220 and ask for Paul, or you can simply click the link below and see what it costs yourself. I'm Ron with Insurance for Texans, and we're here with true Texas home insurance to make your life easier.